Wait. I know what you're thinking, isn't this market crowded? If you go out there with some PLR coloring pages, no one is going to know who you are, wasting your time and energy. You know that's the truth. Enter the world of this crazy secret niche that allows for maximum profit with minimum competition. These special type of books and printables are selling like hotcakes. Pixel coloring is a huge untapped market. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to a world of endless artistic possibilities with Pixel Art Designer today. Whether you're designing for coloring books, digital projects, or personal creations, Pixel Art Designer empowers you to bring your ideas to life with ease and precision. Up until now you had to have a special artist create these images, but not anymore. Unrestricted rights to the pixel images you create. Puzzle books and coloring books. Make your own pixel coloring books or add them to your puzzle books that you can sell on Amazon, etc., eBay, and others. Social media posts. Post your pixel images on social media. People love looking at them. Think of the engagement you'll get. PLR products. Create your own PLR products. Give them away as lead magnets or sell them for others to use. Your unrestricted license lets you do all that. And many more ideas. So what do you get? Our amazing web-based software that allows you to quickly make pixelized image pages. The ability to add your own graphic images. The ability to edit or create your own images from scratch. A complete set of video tutorials over the software and creating your first pictures. Access to a customer-only Facebook group where you can interact with other like-minded people. Book publishers, printable creators, Kindle authors, physical product creators and more. Top-notch support, always ready to help. No monthly fee, one-time price. We take your satisfaction seriously. By giving you solutions that work. Training. Our products come with extensive training to get you up and going quick. Support. If you have a problem, question, comment, whatever. We're here to listen and to help. We have an easy-to-access support desk where we can address any issues you might have. We stand behind our products by providing enhancements and bug fixes. These are the same products we use in our business.